Today I want to show you a cheap little bike stand I made for my electric bike, my VV Fat Tire. The thing weighs about 90 pounds without the battery. And this is only cheap if you already have a Craftsman stand, but I'll give you the link below where you can get this particular stand at Amazon. It was under 40 if I recall correctly, but I'll give you the correct price in the link. But anyhow, I just got done washing this bike. And look, this is all it took. And it makes this portable. It's designed to be mounted. Makes this portable. I got me a piece of 2x6. A couple clamps from Hardware Freight for under $5. And I had a Craftsman Workbench already. Now, if you notice, I don't have the back legs up. There's two reasons for this. The main reason being because with all the legs up, the table would tilt. But the secondary reason is because my bike's heavy. And I was having to, with the legs up, I was having to lift it up at least this much higher. So I don't have to lift it up so far with the back legs down, front legs up. Put the front legs up, makes it more stable. It looks plenty stable. It's not gonna tilt. I'm rocking it right now. It's not gonna tilt. Plenty stable. I do recommend, it comes with screws to mount this part. I recommend you go to a hardware store and get you some bolts. I don't trust screws, especially with a bike as heavy as this. If you got a bike that's 80, 90 pounds, you don't need to trust those screws. They'll eventually pull out, I promise you. But it was, you know, I had the wood, I had the table, I just had to get the bolts and the bike stand itself. And like I said, I'll leave a link, give you a picture of it in this video, and I'll leave a link for you in the description. And that's really all there is to it for a cheap bike stand for doing maintenance on your electric bike, or any bike actually. Yeah, there's one more thing I did I want to let you know about. When I first attempted to put the bike onto this part right here, it grabbed my cables, my speed and brake cables underneath here. So what I did, and I recommend you do, is if that's where your cables are located, is get you a couple tie wraps. See these tie wraps? And I only tighten mine hand tight. There's no need to crank down on it, and test your speed shifter and your brakes to make sure the cables are still sliding freely through it, which is what I did, and it works just fine. And it keeps this from grabbing your cables when you're trying to mount your bike on it. All right, that's all there is to it. So if this has helped you, how about leaving a comment, like, subscribe. You have a good day.